Democrats worry Roe v. Wade hangs in the balance with the nomination of Judge Brett Kavanaught to the Supreme Court. The issue of abortion could also impact the midterm elections, and attention is now shifting to the states. Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi joins us. Good evening, Jason.
Good evening, Lauren. Justice Anthony Kennedy's upcoming retirement has raised both fears and hopes that a conservative majority on the court could overrule Roe. State lawmakers are looking for ways to either gut or enshrine abortion into state law, and some Democrats on Capitol Hill say Brett Kavanaugh poses a big threat.
Can you think of a case that deserves to be overturned?
Yes.
Would you volunteer one?
No.
Judge Brett Kavanagh does analyze former Justice William Rehnquist's dissenting opinion in Roe v. Wade.
He explained that a law prohibiting an abortion, even where the mother's life was in jeopardy, would violate the Constitution. But otherwise, he stated the states had the power to legislate with regard to this matter.
Abortion advocates say they're alarmed Kavanaugh could be the deciding vote to overturn Roe v. Wade. The big question, how will the issue impact Democrats up for re-election?
Do you fear that talking about Roe so much will impact or hurt the Democrats that are in conservative states, those states that have pro-life laws?
We are out to make sure people understand that with Judge Kavanaugh on the bench, 5 men will then most likely vote to overturn Roe v. Wade and have unending consequences for women.
Pro-abortion Democrats coup over Senator Tammy Duckworth's 3-month-old baby girl. The images sparked outrage on social media. Meg tweets, "It's an alternative universe from mine, cradling a baby while agitating for the right to terminate them." And Beth says, irony is dead. Senator Ted Cruz of Texas says Roe v. Wade took away power from the states, and that should change.
It took the question of abortion away from elected legislatures, and instead it created decades of societal division.
4 state laws would trigger bans on most abortions if Roe is overruled. That's Louisiana, Mississippi, North Dakota, and South Dakota. Now, if Roe is overturned, other states could quickly move to do the same. Now, on the other hand, there's 10 states that have old abortion bans still on the books, and people in those states could scramble to get rid of them. Lauren?
And I understand voters in 2 states are going to vote on pro-life referendum?
That's right. Alabama's would recognize the sanctity of unborn life, while West Virginia's referendum would state that there's no right to abortion. These issues will be on the ballot this November.
Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi and you will be following them closely, I'm sure. Thank you, Jason.